Welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. How are we all doing? So I am here again just to bring to you an update. And that update has to do with the senseless people that actually see themselves as a Mr. or Mrs. Know It All. Why? Because after the declaration of Biafra, we started seeing some faces that are not normally talked about, or not, they're not in support of PM, neither are they, happy with him, trying to act as if they care about him, they are now in support of him, calling him my PM and all that. And you will see these people that I'm talking about basically with Ogenkere. Why? Because they are there for a reason. They are there just for the agenda. They are not ready to coexist with other Biafra because to them they see PM as a problem. These are class of people, the same people that say that PM, how can he say that he has ended DOS? Who is he? That kind of thing. They have connived with Ogenkere to build a platform, a group of their own. Names like EUNICE BB, names like Nkiru. These are people that if you trace their previous posts and their activities, you can see them during the time of PM 2022, 2023, even early 2024, few months before the redeclaration of Biafra, these people were busy posting stuff, contradicting what PM represents. But now you are seeing them now with Ogenkere. They are now the chief media and leaders and advocates of Biafra movement, citing Ogenkere. What does that tell you? It simply means that Ogenkere himself has a questionable character, or you can maybe say that you don't trust him either because bird of the same feather themselves fly together. You can only be my friend when I know that what you are doing is in line with what I'm doing. So why are they all of a sudden, throwing their support to Ogenkere? That speaks volume. That tells you a lot you need to know, because I am not here actually to create problem or to cause chaos or to drag anybody to anything, but to set the record straight. Like I always tell you, it is better we focus on the truth, because the Bible says that the truth shall set us free. So if you want to be free, then stand on the truth. And the freedom, the liberation we are talking about is something that has to do with freedom. Have to free yourself from shackles of kingdom of darkness. And for you to do that, you must be truthful. If you don't buy this idea of being truthful, there's nothing you are talking, there's nothing, you are not doing anything. That's why I said anybody that is dishing out liars cannot fight for it. They're not freedom fighters. These are, business institutions that they are creating. There's nothing about them, concern freedom. Nothing. So anybody that have lied or are lying to you that rethink. I'm not saying those one that you think that they're lying. I'm talking about evidently proved that this person, what he said, what he's doing, contradict what you know. You already know that this is what it is, and they come out and begin to act as if that thing is not in line with what you already know. That means they're lying then, because based on your own assessment, based on your own judgment, you yourself can tell that this thing is this way. All this I'm saying now is that to what we're about to talk about. Many of you know that, like I said, let's pick on EUNICE BB. You can see her picture here and all that. So this is not the first time she's calling out COS names and trying to tag her and label her with negative stuff and all that. First thing first, they said that she's People's Club of Nigeria. Then when they are saying all those things, all of them liars, they actually have Ruben Nadi in their midst, whom they are now telling us is also People's Club of Nigeria's member. The question is, what was the intention of telling that COS is a member of People's Club of Nigeria? Their intention is for you to run away from them, from COS, because you have noticed that she's a member of People's Club of Nigeria, right? But when they are saying those things, they still have Ruben Nadi in their midst, whom they know. According to them, I don't know that he's also a member of People's Club of Nigeria. So at the end of the day, the thing is, being a member of People's Club of Nigeria It's not even a problem to them. Just that they want to use that to deceive you, to make it to, to be like, let me get away from her, and then join them that actually have somebody that they themselves are covering at that point in time, that they say that the person is a member of the People's Club of Nigeria. At the end of the day, who do you think they want to fool? You, that you somehow believe them. Take a look at this picture here. I don't know this lady here. I think this is Ruby Nadi, I believe, but this is COS. They are sharing this picture, telling you that, look at the gang of Nigerian People's Club of Nigeria and what have you. If at all being a member of People's Club of Nigeria is a taboo and is forbidden, why do you think they still have Ruby Nadi, knowing fully well, knowing for a fact that she is a member of the People's Club of Nigeria? At the time they are criticizing COS, they refuse to criticize another People's Club of Nigeria member. So it goes to show that it's not about being a member of People's Club of Nigeria. It's about finding a way to deceive you, deceive Biafrans, to brainwash them, to fight against COS, just with that kind of craziness that she's a member of People's Club of Nigeria. Therefore, run away from her. Whereas that even if they already know, even though they know that Ruby Nadi at that point in time is in their camp, and they know that she's also is a member of People's Club of Nigeria. Ask yourself, what stopped them from calling her out and spare her or run away from her? They did not do that until the woman noticed the criminality and evil of Oginkere somehow. Because why I say somehow, because I can give it to her. She's not. I cannot add her to the level of Imam Madab because I have no evidence. Her name is not pumping up often in some of these criminal discussions that Oginkere had before claiming that he's this and that. Not that she's innocent, but whether she's a member of People's Club of Nigeria doesn't really matter. If you know, because the People's Club of Nigeria you're talking about is basically Igbos. Just that the name is basically Igbos. And there's a reason for that. So what does that has to do with what the person is doing to support and champion the movement? You can see now, right? Now, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I expect you to do the needful by making sure you put your comment and let me know your take in all this that we are talking about. So I'm going to share this video with us. Okay, I'm going to share it with us so that you will know, so that you will see and know. Now, this is let me bring it on the screen. What you have now is this. Okay, now here you will notice you see the post from one of DOS member in Oginkere camp called Senator Odogu. Now, Senator Odogu is a senator of who? Now look at it. Say busted. Look at them. Staunch saboteurs. People's Club of Nigeria. With a laugh. Huh? Look at it. You dish out people's old picture years ago to claim as if they're having fun, that kind of thing. As of the time you're making the post. So look at it here. Now, when you come down here, let's see the comment on this post. Let's see who actually made a comment. Now, hold on. Okay. In the comment section. Okay, this is a post, not a comment. This one is a post on its own. I don't know. Let me see if I can get to the comment of this one. Just a moment, because I want to know. Because the way I zoomed it, so it's affecting the whole thing. The way I zoomed it is quite big, right? It's quite big. So let me see if I can get it from the platform itself. Just a moment. Let's go to All these cut and join people, they share everything. Once they made it within 1 hour, they have already shared maybe 100 posts and all that. So you can see, to trace this post that this guy made here, it will cost us time. I think I need to let me see, the comment is not coming up. Let me just focus on other things. I wanted to share with the comment with us because I think it's worth sharing. I think it's worth sharing, but let me do this. So everything is actually the same. Everything is actually the same. So let us what is the same in the sense that I was thinking that Eunice PB made her own post separately, but I didn't know that she made it on that comment section of this one. So when you come to comment section, you see Eunice PB here. What she said, Ruby Nade see her dirty fingers like her friend or Abu Fulani's own to Fiakwa, evil woman. Okay? He said Ruby Nade. Now, what is dirty finger here? But I'm not here to defend Ruby Nade, okay? But I just want you to notice the mindset of this DOS cross border. They cross border to join, after PM had been, arrested, after PMO had been taken. They are doing that because they will do this is a way of destroying what PM have built. Do you understand? Now, the Eunice BB, this is not the first time she's making some comment like that. She have been on USB government and COS for no reason. A woman that has nothing to offer, nothing apart from supporting evil. Her previous post talking against PM is everywhere. Maybe one of these days, because I have shared it here, on some of our videos. Maybe one of these days we are going to revisit that post again to refresh our memory on who she actually, represent and who she is. So I want to know what do you know about Eunice Bibi? Have you noticed her activities? A DOS member that crossed border to join Ogekere. Ogekere hired them just to perpetrate this thing that he's doing today. Nothing more. But you can see the mentality that these people have. Anyway, Eunice Bibi, you need to understand that in terms of education, I don't know your qualification, but level will be here. Yes, that's what I put here. Differences between you, Eunice PP, and COS Dr. Ngozi represent no be here. The difference, the level too much. But out of envy, jealousy, and animosity, you can't let be, right? You always want to show your anger, even though it doesn't want it, but you want to show it anyway. You can, and again, yaga. Anyway, my people, tell me what they think about this woman and people like her, because they always have a way of exposing themselves. Fulani people, just like Lazuba. Oh, for Olabu Fulani, Ngozi Fulani, somebody that actually have make some, nice time with the Fulani people. When you marry the Fulani woman, what do you expect? When you bear child for the Fulani woman, what do you expect? A Fulani man from Sudan married to you. You have never, debunked it. This your Lazuba. I am waiting for people, although I have not checked if there's any update from her based on her response about the Lazuba. Because normally she will come with Ekwe and Ogene, start telling Biafrans, Biafra, Lazuba. You know that kind of thing. But then you are somehow silent and muted because you know that it's true. No, even if it's true, you still come back and do your shenanigans. But believe you me, people have noticed who you are. Many of them. So it is very, very sad that people will wake up and start thinking on how to tarnish other people's image and label them names that they are not. I don't feel for Ruby Nadi because she also have joined them to attack COS and USB for no reason. For no reason, because of inherited. Anyway, tell me what you think about it. Make sure you like the video and share it widely. God bless you. Take care. Bye bye for now.